Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Hartford County in northern Connecticut, northwestern Towland County in northern Connecticut, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams. Urban areas. That.
The life of that a guy.
Police believe there were hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross water roads. Find an alternate route. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request a passage information to the National Weather when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Norton.
I don't know why, but WXA42 did not trip for that.